The Premed X and M belongs to the top measurement devices for diesel engines. With the newest technology, the recorded data leaves no change unnoticed, but for the best possible analysis, it is important to follow some guidelines. A stable condition for the engine is mandatory. Therefore, the engine should be running for at least 30 minutes on regular charge. This will eliminate irregularities due to temperature changes. The condition should be checked with the turbocharger RPM. Only when a stable operation has been reached, the measurement can be taken. If you want to measure the propulsion engine, talk to the bridge for steady course and no rudder movements for the time of the measurements. With the same baseline, the measurements are much more comparable and reliable. Furthermore, high winds and swells should be avoided. Less than 3 BFT is recommended. Please provide weather conditions with your measurements. If you want to measure the diesel generators, best practice is to use 2 generators in parallel and to switch the one to measure in constant load if possible. Avoid to measure a generator when load changes are likely due to crane or pump operations, etc. Measure all cylinders in row without interruptions. The most used fuel should be in operation. Do not forget to take all environmental conditions to allow the ESO corrections. Provide needed and agreed additional information like TC RPM, scavenge air pressure, fuel consumption, fuel pump indexes, and exhaust gas temperatures at the time of the measurement. Also, load or power needs to be provided. All manual data can be added after the measurements direct into your Premed X device. Alternatively, or if you use a Premed M device, you can add them later in the PC as extended parameter. We also recommend using a professional online system like the Premed Cloud for safe and secured storage and evaluation with recommendation from a marine engineer. No loss of data and the most advanced analytic tools at your hand. For any questions regarding the measurements procedure, do not hesitate to contact our Premed Cloud engineers.